Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and this is Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. I've already shown you a really easy way to make cannabis-infused milk, so of course I have to show you what we can do with it. Today we are going to make some chocolate pudding using our cannabis-infused milk. There are a couple of different ways to make pudding at home, and my favorite way is using cornstarch because I think it's the easiest. So I'm going to show you how. Start by combining your sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch, salt, and infused milk into a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Whisk it continuously until it starts to thicken. This will take a couple of minutes, and really watch it because you don't want to overcook it. You know that your pudding is ready when it passes the spoon test. This is when the pudding is thick enough to coat the back of the spoon. So once you pass that spoon test, remove it from the heat and add your chocolate chips, butter, and vanilla extract. So that's it. I promised you it was super simple, and it really couldn't get easier than that. After this, I just put it straight into a Tupperware and put it in the refrigerator overnight. If you don't want to have any lumps in your pudding, you can strain it before you put it in the fridge, but I don't really mind. I personally think that when you're whisking it, you get rid of most of the lumps anyway, and it's homemade pudding, so a few lumps just really shows that it was made from the heart. So here is our finished chocolate pudding. I like to top mine with a little bit of whipped cream. This is actually cannabis-infused whipped cream, but of course you can also top it with some more chocolate chips, some powdered sugar. So let's try our pudding. It is nice and velvety and creamy. It is thick and it still has a little bit of jiggle. Is it weird that I like my pudding to jiggle a little bit? You can smell that rich chocolate flavor. It is all about adding the cocoa powder and the chocolate chips. This is good. So that's all you have to do to make cannabis-infused chocolate pudding at home. It's really simple and easy, and even if you didn't want to chill it overnight, you could just eat it straight from the pan, which I have done before, and it's actually really good when it's warm. Thanks for watching this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this episode a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And of course, tune in next week because we are going to make some cannabis-infused whipped cream, which goes great on top of our pudding and great on top of every single dessert on the face of the planet, and great by itself. So I will see you guys next week. Thanks again. Bye.